how to manage online payment methods on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First open your browser and now once you're here, click settings, and as you see here you will find settings. Now just click payments, or you can just type it here, and here we'll find it. Click on it and now select any coin you want and then scroll down, and here you will find online payment methods. Now select any method you want here and then click on it, click setup, and that's it. Manage it here and then click save. Just manage all of those and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.